How is it going, guys? This is a huge day for me because the carb came in. So it actually came in a few days early. So I'm going to try and keep this video extremely short. I'm only going to time lapse me just changing it out because it's just 2 bolts and just a couple of, just got to add on the fuel line. So I'll take just a few minutes or whatever. But my biggest thing in this video is I want to get it on there and see if I can't get this old girl to fire up. So without further ado, let's get this carburetor on. I did forget to mention that I did get a whole new throttle cable, the whole assembly. So the whole throttle cable assembly, everything will be new. So I'll get that installed too, because why wouldn't you? I can't wait. I'm kind of pumped.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, everything's put back together. New throttle cable's on, new carburetor is on, that sexy blue fuel line is installed, and all I gotta do is add some gas and see if this thing will fire up. I'm sure I'll have to adjust the idle on it, maybe, but let's just see if it'll fire up. Okay, let's put some gas into this thing. Hopefully I don't spill it all over the place. Light my house on fire or something. Put the ignition switch out of the way. That doesn't seem like a good call. Don't want to overload it in case I gotta drain it back out again. Might have to drain, I don't know why, but just with my luck, I feel I'll need to do that. But that should be enough. Everything's looking good. Okay, time to fire it up. Because it's late at night, and I can't think of any other way to do this, and I'm a bit of a hillbilly, if you haven't noticed. Just use a chunk of firewood, prop this thing up so if the back tire starts spinning, it doesn't just shoot off the table into a whole bunch of crap. Okay. Two pieces of firewood. Okay, we're all propped up. Next thing to do is just hook up the battery pack to it and see what happens. Okay guys, it's time. Got the garage door open in case this thing does smoke us out. I don't even know if I should give it a choke or just see what happens. Keys in. Let's just see what happens, shall we? Let's just see what happens. Nothing apparently. What am I missing? Okay. Close. All right, she's not idling, so I'll kind of liking that. She's idling. Okay, so the kill switch does not work on the handle, but that's all right. I'll order a new one and figure out the wiring. That's what'll be in upcoming videos, but I'm gonna do body work first. But kill switch doesn't work, so I just pulled the spark plug. She's idling nicely, sounds good. Let's go. Let's go. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe if you're liking this kind of content. We'll see you in the next one. Yeah.